wait for a little bit.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today we'll be presenting our project for NCHACS. So we have created WidgetHub, which is a really nice platform for you to create your own widgets to show off on your website. So the aim that we have for this is that it's as simple as possible, and it's as easy as putting in your username, customizing your widget, copying it, and dropping it into your website. And we'll do a bit of a demo after with a whole bunch of different website services like Weebly, and we'll do one with raw HTML website as well.
Alright, so as you can see here, we have a profile for GitHub, and I have 3 types. I'm going to explain what the last type is eventually, but I'm going to be putting in my link for my account. As you can see, it's over here, and I'm able to update it if need be. So now, if I wanted to add a dev post account, do that real quick. Same username, and we've added it as well. Lastly, the last thing I wanted to talk about is actually because this last widget is GitHub Analytics.
Yeah, so obviously in the future we can extend this to a lot of platforms, but due to time constraints we only have a couple API requests, so we only have GitHub and DevPost for now. But we can extend this to as many things as we want and have as many formats as we want.
So as you can see over here, we have the ability to customize our widget. I will generate the widget in just a second after I play around with some of the controls. Alright, so I'm going to leave the title color, and I'm going to change this hover to red just so we can see it in action, and generate widget. Alright, so we have a beautiful widget over here, and you can see that the hover works as well, and it actually links to my GitHub over here. So very beautiful widget. You can see that it's definitely customizable as well. I can put in another message, and the message will show up.
Okay, we can play around with a couple of different other ones. So we also have DevPost. This gives you information like how many hackathons you've been to, and other similar things like that. Very nice.
Lastly, we have GitHub Analytics, and for this one, I'm going to choose a few different colors just to mix it up and see what we can do with this.
So this one just scrapes your GitHub page and gets your pin repos, as you can see. Displays a whole bunch of information like forks and stars. So now that we have this, we can actually take the code and try putting it into a website.
So let's take the normal GitHub one for now, and we're going to copy the code. Alright, and let's try putting it into a very simple website editor that everyone has used once before when they were small, Weebly. And Weebly has a really cool feature where you're able to add embedded code in. What we're going to do is we're going to add it just right over here. So I'm going to add a piece of code on the left side, set up a custom HTML, paste the code that we were able to use, and publish. So now if we go to the site, click OK, and boom, we have our beautiful widget right over here with everything in capability.
The front end was built using React, and then we have used Tailwind CSS for styling. And this connects all to Express TypeScript backend that's providing both REST endpoints and GraphQL endpoints. And it also interfaces with Postgres database. And you can see we have some pretty nice styles here. Yo, why are we playing around with it?